planet died. My culture, my home, my parents. Everything was just wiped from the stars. When my parents put me on that pod in Krypton, I don't think I realized what was actually happening. I didn't know that I was saying goodbye to them forever. Just I've been abandoned before, and I didn't want to be abandoned again. Sai put me back in that pod. Completely trapped and alone. It was so quiet. Silence was the worst part. My normal life ended the second my parents put me on that ship, and that makes me so mad. You don't understand when I feel like I lost everything. You let everyone that I love die. You left me. You left me alone. You sent me away. How could you do that?
I remember my parents. I remember Krypton. I remember being alone in that pod and not knowing if I was gonna see anyone ever again.
Danvers sucks right now. Supergirl is great. Supergirl saved the world. Danvers was a mistake.
Danvers is my favorite person.
I'd ask for a hug. I don't know what to do anymore. I have all these powers, but I've never felt more powerless.
How am I supposed to really become a hero if Superman has to keep saving me?
I believe you keep fighting. Whether you're stuck on another world, whether or not you have your powers, you never give in.